Meet the African civet, mysterious carnivore of the savannah. In the twilight hours when the African savanna transforms from day to night, a mysterious figure emerges from the shadows. With its distinctive spotted coat and cat-like grace, the African civet, Civetictis civetta, begins its nocturnal hunt across the grasslands and woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa. Despite being one of Africa's most widespread carnivores, this enigmatic creature remains largely unknown to many wildlife enthusiasts, living a secretive life that has fascinated researchers and naturalists for centuries. The Phantom of the African Night. The African civet is neither cat nor dog, though it shares characteristics with both. Belonging to the family Viveridae, civets represent an ancient lineage of carnivores that evolved separately from the more familiar cats and canids. This medium-sized mammal typically weighs between 15 to 44 pounds and measures up to 3 feet in body length, with an additional 2-foot tail that serves as both balance aid and communication tool. What immediately strikes observers about the African civet is its remarkable coat pattern. The animal's grayish fur is adorned with distinctive black spots and stripes that create a natural camouflage perfect for its crepuscular lifestyle. A prominent black mask surrounds its eyes, giving it an almost bandit-like appearance, while a distinctive black and white striped pattern runs along its throat and chest. This unique coloration not only helps the civet blend into dappled moonlight and shadow but also serves as a form of visual communication with other civets. The civet's physical build reflects its adaptable nature. Its elongated snout houses an exceptional sense of smell, crucial for locating food and detecting danger in the darkness. Large, rounded ears can rotate independently to pinpoint the slightest sounds, while relatively short legs keep the animal close to the ground for stability when navigating through dense vegetation or rocky terrain. Masters of adaptation. African civets inhabit an impressive range of ecosystems across sub-Saharan Africa, from the savannas of East Africa to the forest edges of Central Africa. Their remarkable adaptability has allowed them to colonize environments ranging from semi-arid grasslands to tropical woodlands, though they consistently avoid true desert regions and dense rainforest interiors. These versatile carnivores have mastered the art of opportunistic living. Unlike specialized predators that rely on specific prey species, African civets are generalist feeders with one of the most varied diets in the animal kingdom. Their menu includes insects, small mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, eggs, fruits, and even carrion. This dietary flexibility has been key to their survival across diverse habitats and changing environmental conditions. During the dry season, when many animals struggle to find food, civets increase their consumption of fruits and insects. In the wet season, they take advantage of abundant small vertebrates and invertebrates. This seasonal dietary shift demonstrates their remarkable behavioral plasticity and helps explain their success across Africa's varied climates. The art of scent communication. Perhaps no aspect of African civet behavior is more fascinating than their sophisticated scent marking system. Both male and female civets possess specialized scent glands located near their tail base that produce a strong-smelling secretion known as civetone. This musky substance serves multiple purposes in civet society, functioning as a territorial marker, reproductive signal, and individual identifier. Civets engage in elaborate scent-marking rituals, carefully selecting prominent locations such as fallen logs, rocks, or termite mounds to deposit their aromatic signatures. These scent posts serve as communication hubs where civets can gather information about their neighbors without direct contact. The chemical messages convey details about the marker's identity, reproductive status, health, and recent activities. Historically, civetone has held significant commercial value. For centuries, the perfume industry prized this natural musk for its ability to enhance and preserve other fragrances. Traditional harvesting methods involved capturing wild civets and extracting the secretion from captive animals, though modern synthetic alternatives have largely replaced this practice in ethical perfume production. Solitary survivors. African civets are primarily solitary creatures, coming together only during mating season. Each individual maintains a territory that can range from 1 to 15 square kilometers, depending on habitat quality and food availability. Males typically maintain larger territories that may overlap with several female ranges, particularly during breeding season. Their solitary nature doesn't mean civets are antisocial. Rather, they have evolved complex spatial and temporal strategies to minimize direct competition while maximizing resource utilization. Through scent marking and careful timing of activities, multiple civets can share overlapping areas without frequent confrontation. Reproduction follows a seasonal pattern in many regions, with births typically occurring during times of abundant food. After a gestation period of approximately 72 days, females give birth to 2 to 4 young in secure dens located in rock crevices, hollow trees, or abandoned burrows. The spotted kits remain with their mother for several months, learning essential survival skills including hunting techniques, territory navigation, and scent communication. Ecological engineers. The ecological role of African civets extends far beyond simple predation. As omnivores with a taste for fruits, they serve as important seed dispersers across their range. Many plant species rely on civets to transport their seeds across the landscape, contributing to forest regeneration and genetic diversity maintenance. Their insectivorous habits also provide valuable pest control services, particularly in areas near human settlements. Civets consume vast quantities of termites, beetles, and other insects that might otherwise damage crops or stored food. This natural pest management represents an often overlooked ecosystem service provided by these nocturnal hunters. Furthermore, as both predator and prey, civets occupy a crucial position in African food webs. They help control populations of small mammals and ground-nesting birds while providing food for larger carnivores such as leopards, hyenas, and large pythons. Facing modern challenges. Despite their adaptability, African civets face increasing pressure from human activities. Habitat fragmentation due to agricultural expansion has reduced available territory and forced populations into smaller, isolated patches. Road mortality represents a significant threat, as civets' nocturnal nature and terrestrial habits make them vulnerable to vehicle strikes. In some regions, civets are hunted for bushmeat or traditional medicine, though they are not typically targeted as intensively as larger mammals. However, snaring intended for other species often captures civets as bycatch, contributing to population declines in certain areas. Climate change presents another emerging challenge. Shifting precipitation patterns and increasing temperatures may alter the distribution of prey species in suitable habitats, forcing civets to adapt once again to changing conditions. Conservation and coexistence. Currently, the African civet is classified as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, reflecting their relatively stable populations across much of their range. However, this status masks regional variations, with some populations experiencing significant declines while others remain stable. Conservation efforts focus primarily on habitat protection and creating wildlife corridors that connect fragmented populations. In areas where humans and civets overlap, education programs help communities understand the ecological benefits these animals provide and promote coexistence strategies. Research continues to reveal new aspects of civet ecology and behavior, with camera trap studies providing unprecedented insights into their secretive lives. These findings help inform conservation strategies and highlight the importance of protecting the diverse habitats that support these remarkable adaptable carnivores. The African civet stands as a testament to the power of evolutionary adaptation and ecological flexibility. In a rapidly changing world, their success story offers hope that some species can navigate the challenges of coexisting with human development while maintaining their essential ecological roles. As we continue to explore and understand these mysterious carnivores of the savanna, we gain greater appreciation for the complex web of life that makes Africa's ecosystems so extraordinary. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.